Greetings and salutations together the legs. Today is July 20th. It is, of course, it's 3:22. I didn't plan it that way. Love you anyway, Luke Combs. Anyway, I have made it here to look at you. Oh, baby, I hope you come through. Oh, honey, I hope that is. Oh, you are beautiful. Oh, wow. It looks like a rose in the center, just about, honey, the way that I'm looking at it. Almost like you blew it out of smoke, kind of. Blowing smoke out your ass in a rose. Ah, you are too funny. I love you so. You are wonderful. Oh, I hope that comes through. You are too funny. They are such camera hands, y'all. I truly hope y'all take time to notice the intricate ways that they build their webs. It's beautiful. I mean, really. They take in consideration the area, the way the wind's blowing, what their prey is. Seriously, it's beautiful. And what season stuff is happening in, what the moon phase is. They take all of that into consideration just inherently without even knowing any laws, just of natural being. Like the way before the stuff happened at Yellowstone, the way the animals just instinctively knew. Greetings and salutations together, the loops. It is July 20th, 25. The day after I became a grandma for the first time, like 17 years ago. She was so tiny. Seriously, she was 3 pounds, 3 ounces, and she wasn't supposed to have been born until September 26th, the day before my mom's birthday. And my daughter was in the hospital a whole month. She had placenta previa, and she was in the hospital a whole month before my granddaughter was born, trying to make sure that she would have a fighting chance at life. So they did everything they could to make sure that she didn't go into labor early. And Shaylee was born. It's kind of after me. Shelly is my nickname. Shaylee. And yet Shaylee is also considered Fairy Princess of the Field, is one of the names that I saw a translation of somewhere. And she absolutely is a Fairy Princess of the Field. And the night that I went home, that she was born, I was on the way home and I was praying so hard, y'all. And I'll never forget, I was driving a Jeep and I was going down Conrad Road, and the Jeep that we had was maroon and it had an eagle. It had a beautiful eagle on the hood of it. Very distinctive. In this area, if y'all were around Pilot and ever saw a maroon Jeep with an eagle on it, that was either me or Tony driving it. I don't know if the kids ever drove it. They probably did, because they snuck and drove everything. We didn't know. It's a different story. Those stinker winkers. Okay, anyway, but I was driving that Jeep that night, and I was praying, and I was going down Conrad Road, which is like it's like a covered, it's like a tree tunnel. The limbs taken form like a tunnel through that road. So it's like a canopy of trees through certain areas of it. And I had just hit the longest line of the canopy trees before there's a gap. Then another small portion of a canopy of trees, and then you take a left to go towards East Bend. So and I always took that road back and forth. It was my time. I prayed. I prayed those roads. That would be my prayer going to work. I was leaving prayers with my kids and tuning into getting ready to work dispatching police, fire, or medical to people who might need it. And so I wanted to make sure that I was getting in the right frame of mind to do right by people. This is the intent. It's like, Lord, please, if somebody needs help, make sure you use me to good. So don't ever let anybody get hurt because I was slipping on my watch. Don't ever let me fail somebody. And I'm just glad I couldn't do 911 to help with that. Just working at a central station dispatch, getting police, fire, and medical when alarms come in, when most of them are false alarms, ain't gonna lie, but you got to treat each one like a possible. So, and no, I wasn't always the nicest to some of these people that repeatedly treated me nasty every time I would call. It's like, look. But I always made sure it was a false alarm before I ever got snarky. But I tried never to be, truly, because God knows it could be their family. I would never, ever, anyway. Really, Dan Michelle. Anyway. Why is that coming up today? The webs we weave with the intentions. Oh. What did that have to do with me and my spider friend? Oh. Anyway. I'm not. It's hot, y'all. It really is. It is. But I'm not taking that fan. Because I destroyed the last one. I didn't even make it through a tree session over here and over at the other place. And it's been raining, y'all, so it's slickery up here. But I need tuning time. No. That part. We all thrive. We will not perpetuate any perversions of any thing and try to call it love. Are you kidding me? No, we are healthy. Rooting out bitter roots. We will not perpetuate anything that's not the most healthiest, beautiful reflections of the best us as we can. Choosing always to weed out anything that does not bloom and blossom us into the most creative solution, resolution, focus. Ooh.
Gotta go.